Hello, and welcome to another update on Link. Yeah, just a quick update, just to check in. Do we see any meaningful structures on the Link chart? Any changes from yesterday? And I still think Link is due another dip. I explained yesterday that the pressure remains downward. I mean, we're now exactly at that point where if we get a broader B-wave bounce, this could happen, and we could test again this resistance area between 1550 and 1675. Yeah, so basically like an A, B, C structure in a broader wave B. Currently in the yellow count, the B wave is considered complete. But you know, this is something we need to be aware of. A broader B wave before we come down then. Okay, so please be aware this is still a possibility. However, there is no strength there at the moment. We're simply consolidating around the swing lows from the 4th of November. We already broke below the 10th of October lows, at least here on the Coinbase chart. And the bounce that is it even a bounce? I mean, this is not any strength at the moment, right? No sign. I'm not quite sure if this is already the fourth wave. It could be. We might get one more low in the third, so more like that. But I've run out of wave degrees already here on this chart to show already a lot of detail. I'm actually considering that from this B wave top around the 11th of November, you know, we had a leading diagonal to the downside here, possibly, yeah, and that was a wave one, and this is a wave two, and this is a third, which might still get one more low. 1330 is clearly the next Fibonacci support level. Then we could get a wave four bounce and another low in wave five, and that can give us a proper 5-wave decline in wave C of Z, targeting 1330. I'm not convinced that 1330 will hold, so we might see a brief break below. I am tracking still a 1-2 setup, which is a bullish structure. However, in the short term, the pressure is still down. It's still like catching the falling knife situation, so not necessarily an upside reversal confirmation or anything, right? So the trend is still down. What I'm watching for is possibly a break above the yellow trend line as a first indication of a low is in. Yeah, that a low is in, but really only the first indication. Better indication will be a break above 1675 and then here 1765. Again, below 1330, the 1-2 setup I'm tracking is already going to become less likely, but it's not the invalidation point. It's simply a pivot, it's a support area, and I'm going to track lower until the market gives me a micro 5-wave move up. That's very important to understand. So it's the area to be watching for reversal signals. I'm not convinced we've bottomed. We might go a little lower and reach $12.14 as well. That's the update on Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. You can find a lot of additional updates there. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.